Black Friday sale will be starting tomorrow at TradingView. So in order for you to get the 60% discount on premium accounts in TradingView, feel free to sign up a premium account and please use my referral link. I will post it in my Facebook page and feel free to sign up for TradingView Black Friday sale account. And it's a very big discount that is offered every year. So let's say, for example, instead of paying $160, you just need to pay $100. And in a premium account, there are many advantages aside from instead of signing up for a free account. Because a free account, there are lesser features, but in a premium account, you are able to even create your own watch list. You can colorize your tag or flag your pairs. You can use many different type of indicators, and these are not offered in a free account. So take advantage of this opportunity. Sign up for the Black Friday sale at TradingView, 60% discount. Don't miss the opportunity. Go and get it.